Hey guys, so you're going to start out by browning your meat. If you're going to use a cast iron pan like I'm using here in this video, just preheat it. So put it on a fire for about 5 to 6 minutes so that it's already heated up.
I see my chest in pain. Seems like I'm always looking your way, and I keep wondering if you'll do the same. Guess I'm in love, in love, in love. Oh no, I've fallen in love, in love, in love, in love. I've fallen in love.
So as my meat is starting to brown, I'm just going to season it a bit. I'm going to use some black peppercorns, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can season this lightly because, it's going to be a lot of seasoning already in the chili, but I just like to take the extra step and just season the meat as well. So now I'm just putting the brown meat inside of my crock pot. Just always make sure that the crock pot is already on low, so as you put in every ingredient, it's already heating up. So yeah, I'm putting my brown meat inside the crock pot and I'm leaving the fire on. Do not turn the fire off and do not drain the fat. We're going to use this in the next step for the veggies. Now add in the chopped green and red peppers and the chopped onion.
'Cause when I see my chest in pain, seems like I'm always looking your way, and I keep wondering if you'll do.
While the veggies are sauteing, add in the crushed tomatoes.
In love, in love, in love. Oh no, I've fallen in love, in love.
Now that the onions are starting to turn translucent, you can now add in your minced garlic. Now that the veggies are starting to soak up some of the fat from the ground beef, add in some olive oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. Now add the sauteed veggies in the crock pot. Now you're going to add a little more olive oil to the pan, and then you're going to put in your hot Italian sausage.
I'm feeling somewhat strange, 'cause when
While your Italian sausages are searing, you're going to add in your diced tomatoes.
looking your way, and I keep wondering if you'll do the same. Guess I'm in love, in love.
Now you're going to give the sausages a flip so the other side can sear.
I've fallen in love, in love, in love, in love.
Now that both sides are seared, you're going to take some kitchen scissors and cut up your sausages. You can cut it up any size that you like. I did it fairly big here, but off camera, as it started to cook down a little more, I started to cut them a little bit smaller. So I'm just browning my sausages, and just remember, when you're browning any type of meat, it's never going to be thoroughly cooked, but don't worry, it'll continue to cook while it's in a crock pot. now I'm going to add the sausages to the crock pot. So now I'm adding the tomato sauce, and after I add the tomato sauce, I'm going to add in the tomato paste. And because I am making a sweet and spicy chili, I'm going to add in some banana peppers. I love the balance of sweet and spicy from these peppers. And then I'm going to add in my brown sugar. So now I'm adding in all of my seasonings, and then I'm going to add in the beans. I'm using black beans, and then I'm using chili beans. Just remember to always drain the beans because you want a chili, you don't want it to be like a soup. So now I'm just going to take my spoon to the bottom of the crock pot, and then I'm going to slowly fold everything together. You want to do it this way so that you don't make a mess and to ensure that everything is fully combined. When everything is fully combined, you're going to cover and cook on low for about 8 hours.